The 1E03 safety code displayed on the green display screen on walk behind and rider scrubbers indicates on a rider that the operator is not sitting in the seat when the key is on. To clear that code, sit on the seat and the machine's enabled to run. The third cause of the 1E03 on walk behinds or riders is machines that have an onboard charger have a drive interrupt so that you can't drive away with the machine plugged into the wall. Unplug the charger from the wall, wind the cord up on the machine, cycle the key, and the machine will be ready to run. A common safety code is the 7900 code displayed on the green display on walk behind and rider scrubbers that are equipped with an emergency stop switch. If someone's depressed the emergency stop switch, that's indicated to the operator by the 7900 code. To clear this code, quarter turn of the safety stop switch, it will re-engage the machine. To clear the code, cycle the key off and back on. Code's cleared and the machine is ready to operate.